Hi, I'm Drew Bain, and I'm going to be your inspector tomorrow. We encourage that all of our clients attend the entire inspection so that you can see everything through my eyes. However, I know that you're busy, so if you can at least attend the last hour, I can go over the executive review with you. Times are crazy now, so if you can't attend at all, don't fear. I promise that I can call you, text, Zoom, or FaceTime if you want. Rest assured, you will receive your report tomorrow as well. Our company thrives on 5-star reviews and referrals, so let me tell you a little bit about me. I'm a family man, I live in Saudi Daisy, and I am an autism dad, and I love a good craft beer. I am also the specialist on several other additional testing services that we provide, like radon gas detection, mold testing, indoor air quality, pool testing, etc. If you have any questions about these things, please just respond to this message. Can't wait to see you tomorrow.